Hi everyone, my name is Haris Khan, and in this video I will be showing you something which I recently fabricated. But before that, let me first talk about the inspiration of in making that. So back in 2008, when Iron Man flew into the theaters, I was captivated by Tony Stark's raw intelligence. The idea of a mechanical hand or a mechanical exoskeleton was eccentric, innovative, and most of all inspiring. That's when I, knew I would be creating something like that, a mechanical hand of my own. And after that, I got obsessed with the 3D printing technology and 3D printers. So fast forward it to now, when I own a 3D printer, I designed a mechanical hand, and let me just show it to you. It's this is the mechanical hand. As you can see, I can move the fingers. I have not connected the thumb right now, that's why it's not moving, but the fingers are functional. Now how I made it is by using CAD software, which is Fusion 360. It's a part of or a product of Autodesk. After fabricating it over my 3D printer, I took out the parts, assembled it. But before assembly, I used a sandpaper to clear out the uneven parts, and then I assembled it. Used some strings and rubber bands to make the mechanism workable, and here it is, the mechanical hand which I made. So yeah, I will be using servo motors and a microcontroller, maybe Arduino Uno, to automate this movement. And yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to show it to you. I hope you all like this video, and I will be giving you the updates on this particular model, if I'll be automating this using microcontrollers and servo motors. So thank you so much.